Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen. Y'all know who this fella is?
Hey y'all.
James Russell. Listen, we just want to come on here real quick and tell y'all, we told y'all we had some exciting news coming up. And this is our little news. We are selling our little merchandise.
Yep.
We're starting out slow. Right now we're just selling some cooking aprons.
Yep.
And it has just some little sayings on it that y'all have probably heard me say
a
million
times. Yeah, 100 times at least.
in the kitchen. But we're gonna he'll put a little snapshot in here of it, and
yeah, I'll show y'all what they look like.
Show y'all there's 4 choices, and I believe it's $39.99, and there might be a little discount code. I'm not certain of that, but you're gonna need to go to ValerieStore.com.
Yep. And we'll put the link to take you right to the website and take you right to the collection and all that. Or if it don't go to the collection, just scroll down and you'll see the collection there. And thank you once again to Miss Valerie for working with us. We appreciate her.
We really
do.
do.
Really nice lady, and she's reached out and done went above and beyond.
She really has. So once again, the ValerieStore.com. Scroll down, you'll see Rhonda's Country Kitchen merch, and just like magic, that's where it's going to be.
Yeah.
And
we're excited about it.
We are. We're very excited. We're hoping for more little merchandise. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
And so y'all go check it out. And we thank every one of y'all for watching and supporting us in every way.
If it wasn't for y'all, we wouldn't have this opportunity, and we appreciate and thank everyone who watches, and appreciate you.
Absolutely. So if you want a little piece of merchandise, y'all just go check it out, and holler, leave a little comment if you've ordered one, and we will see you next time. We'll keep you updated on everything.
As we go along, we might have more stuff to add to that, and we're excited to be working with the Vera Network.
Yes.
And Miss Valerie, and she's a sweet lady, and y'all go check that network out. And it's a lot of they do a lot of good work, and they look and see what they're all about. And like I said, we're excited to work with them.
Absolutely, and they help the disabled.
Yes.
Disabled people.
Do a lot of faith-based work, a lot of Christian work, and that's we don't profess a lot of religious stuff on this channel, but we are Christians, and we do not hide our faith at all. And anyway,
y'all normally just see us cooking.
That's right.
But this is who we are.
That's right. We just live our lives the way we do, and we appreciate Miss Valerie. We definitely appreciate her for reaching out and giving us the opportunity.
Absolutely. And so y'all go check it out, and until next time.